Hello everyone, welcome to another video from POS Print. This time we'll be showing the top of the line docking station model we have. Now we have the 3-inch multiple port POS system here, and this is our top of the line docking station model. Now apart from having a 3-inch Seco printer with an auto cutter installed in it, it has obviously the multiple ports at the back of it, and it also has a customer facing VGA display, a 5-inch VGA display. Alright, so for the purpose of this demonstration we have connected our tablet to the printer using USB standard port, and also we have connected a barcode scanner to the printer using the USB standard port. Now the first test case is going to be just like we did for the 2-inch printer, that is by selecting the goods from the application and directly printing it to the printer. And the second test case is going to be using the barcode scanner and scanning some of the items that I've already printed out here into the application and then printing to the printer. Okay, so let's go right into the first test case. So here I'll select a few items from the goods menu, and when I have the item selected, all I'm going to hit is the payment. So as you can see, it's a pretty fast 3-inch printer, and being an auto cutter, it cuts the paper also, and so that you can easily pull it off. Now let's go to the second test case, and I'm going to use the USB barcode scanner to scan some of the items in the list. There you go. Okay, so I've scanned 3 items from the list, and I have those 3 items listed here on the screen. Again, I'm going to go ahead and hit the payment button. And there you go, it's as simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the POS Print top of the line 3-inch docking station, and it has all the capabilities that you'll expect out of a portable POS system. Thanks a lot for watching this video.